Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix relooted gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, then select restart. So this is an important step. Once your PC restarts, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices. Select the controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller. Now here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and then check whether the problem you are facing is resolved or not. If the issue still continues, come back, simply select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Here you can see, here you will be able to see an update option if there is any update available for the game. So after updating the game, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search, now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. After updating the Windows to the latest version, now check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your gamepad will be added. So you have to first remove it. For that, click on three-dot icon and click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click here, and you have to add your controller. After adding your controller, check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to go for big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, and here you can see big picture mode. Click on it. Now after that, you have to select your game. So after selecting the game, click on play button to check whether it's opening or not. Once it is done, you have to click on Steam option. Now click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Once you have done this, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, yeah, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can also go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, you have to click on download option and you will go to the download page. From here you have to select it and click on download. So this will download DS4 Windows tool. You have to install it. Now after installing it, you have to connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch a Relooted game once again and then check if the error is resolved or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix relooted game controller or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.